All right, it's time to check back in with our Veronica Ogbe for Wiper Week. She is at Metro Motor in Arlington. Veronica, is it time for the competition?
Yes, Roxanne, as I mentioned, we were going to be having some fun in this next segment, so I'm so excited. Sean is back with me again. Sean, for Wiper Week that's happening this week, we are so excited about it. So we had to have a competition that's based on wipers.
Absolutely, absolutely. So we do have 3 people representing all across Metro Motor here to do a little wiper blade change. So
yes,
we'll see how it goes. A little friendly competition.
We're going to see who can do it the fastest. Are we ready?
Yep.
Thank you. That's the excitement I was looking for. All right, let's go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Sean, this is incredible already. They're moving pretty quickly.
Yeah, the key to changing a wiper blade is slow is smooth and smooth is fast. You never want to do any damage while changing it, but at the same time, it should only take about a minute or so to complete the job.
Wow. And definitely efficient. I know you guys are all about efficiency here.
Yes, no, absolutely. We pride ourselves in doing everything in a timely manner.
Yes.
All services across the board, really trying to get them in and out in the same day and make sure everything's done correctly.
Perfect. I did want to share one fun fact with you. Do you know who created the wiper blade?
No, I do not. Please fill me in.
I was actually shocked to find out it's a woman.
We have a winner!
We have a
winner!
Look at that!
Incredible!
Okay.
Incredible!
You know
Great
what?
job, guys.
Sean, I did not start a timer, so I don't know. I believe it took a minute. I do believe.
It may have been even less than a minute. I also wasn't timing. It was quicker than I thought.
It was a lot quicker. All right, well, I want you to introduce me to the team here because they're from all different locations.
Yes, all of our 18 locations.
Let's
3
start
are
with our
represented.
winner. Congratulations.
This is Kamil from our Metro Motor Clarendon location. He is the winner today. Congratulations, Kamil.
Awesome work. You did great. I knew it from the start you might be the winner. All right, and who do we have here?
We have Tony from our Capitol Hill location, one of our long-standing and I believe our oldest location.
Awesome.
Yep.
And last but not least, our girl who put in the work. You did so good.
Almost, Karla. This is Karla from our Palisades location. So again, great job, Tony and Karla.
Yes.
But especially to Kamil with the championship
with the win. I have to say too, I think she had the harder car.
Definitely so. Subarus are a little bit tricky. So yeah, no. Hats off to Karla. Great job, great effort.
Great work, everyone. Thank you. But as I was saying before, yeah, the windshield wiper was created by a woman. Her name's Mary Anderson. Could you believe it?
No, I actually don't believe it. But I'm gonna have to fact check you as soon as I leave
okay,
here.
I got you. I have a few more fun facts we can talk about later. But for those that are interested in, maybe potentially getting some wipers, can you tell them how they can do so throughout Wiper Week?
Yeah, so there's 2 main ways. The first one is going on our website or calling into any of our locations. So metromotor.com, making a service appointment for your vehicle. With that service appointment, you will get a complimentary set of wipers. Also, this Saturday, April 11th, from 10 to 2 at the DC DMV inspection station. Please go on to wiperweek.org to register there. Make sure you register your vehicle so that we can assure that we have your wipers in stock because there are so many different sizes.
Yes.
So, yeah, those are the 2 main ways, and yeah, we'll take care of you and make sure that you're seeing clear on the road.
Yes, and I love it. I have to mention too, I was also doing research and realized we are in one of the biggest cities in the country throughout the DMV, and you actually living in a big city need to change your wipers more often. So I think that's just a call to definitely come out and take advantage of what you guys are doing for Wiper Week.
Yeah, no, it's so true. Very true statement. Just like tires and brakes in a major city, they wear out much quicker.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, well, I'm so excited because we're going to continue this conversation. I might share another fun fact later, but I'll send it back to you for now, Roxanne, and we'll see you back out here in just a bit.